So in this session we will see what are the operators available in C#. What is meant by operator? Operator is a symbol to perform operation. So what type of operators we have? Arithmetical operators, assignment operators, relational operators, next increment operator, decrement operator, logical operators, conditional operator, and concatenation operator. These are different types of operators available in C#. Now what are the arithmetical operators? Plus, minus, into, slash, mod. So plus represent addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and remainder. Assignment operator is equal to, plus equal to, minus equal to, into equal to, slash equal to, mod equal to. Relational operators are double equal to, not equal to, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. Increment operator is plus plus. Decrement operator is minus minus. Logical operators are and or not. What is the difference? And means both conditions should be true, or means any one condition should be true, not means given condition will be reverse. Conditional operator means we will have a condition, question mark, value 1, value 2. If the condition result is true, then it will return the value 1, otherwise value 2. Concatenation operator is a plus. So assume we have two strings and you want to combine two strings as a single string, then we require plus operator. For example, we have ABC plus XYZ. The result will be ABC XYZ. Like this, two strings can be combined as a single string with the help of concatenation operator. So number plus number is addition, string plus string is concatenation, string plus number, number plus string also concatenation. So next we will see control statements. So in this session we are going to see control statements. What is meant by control statements? Control statements are used to control the program execution flow. See, generally the program will execute in a top to bottom approach. Suppose it will start the first statement, then second statement, then third statement, like this. Each statement will execute in a sequence. Whenever the execution flow is reached to end of the program, it is taken as a program is over. Now, but we can control the program execution flow. Means we can execute the code repeatedly, or sometimes you can skip the code based on the condition. So for that purpose only we will use control statements. How many types of control statements we have? Conditional control statements, jumping control statements, looping control statements. Conditional statements are if, switch case. Jumping control statements are go to, break, continue. Looping control statements are while, do while and for. See, first we will see conditional control statements. What are the conditional control statements? Conditional control statements means we can check the condition. If the condition is true, then only we are executing the code. So first we have if. In if we have many formats: simple if else if and nested if. Simple if means we will have one condition. If some condition, it will check the condition. If the condition is true, then it will execute the code. See, if the condition is true, it will execute this particular code. If the condition is false, it will go to the next statement after the if condition. Means this code will be skipped. So finally this code executes only when the condition is true. In case of condition false, it will skip this code and go to the next statement after the if. In case of if else, we are writing the if condition. If true, then it will execute this code. In case of false, it will execute this code. But either this or this, any one only will execute. But in case of if else, we will have one condition. If the condition is true, then this code will execute. In case of this condition also false, then it will come to the second condition. The second condition may be either true or false. If the second condition is true, then it will execute this code. If the second condition is false, then it will go to the third condition. The third condition also may be true or false. Then if it is true, then it will execute this code. If it is false, this code. So finally, out of all these blocks, any one only will execute. That is the specialty of the else if. Nested if means if inside if. We are writing outer if, inner if. First it will check the outer if. If the condition is true, then only it will check the inner if. In case of this inner if is true, this part will execute. If this is false, this part will execute. Finally, after checking the outer if only, inner if will be checked. For example, inner if is true, but outer if is false, then what happens? It will not check the inner if, right? That's why the code will not be executed anything. So this is what about the if. Next we have switch case.